Hello and welcome to this honest review of Russell 2000 stocks. Today, we'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this stock market index, and I'll be giving my final rating out of 10. But before we begin, I want to remind you that this video is not financial advice, and it's always a good idea to do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. First, let's talk about the advantages of the Russell 2000 index. One of the main benefits is that it provides investors with exposure to small-cap stocks, which can offer higher growth potential compared to larger, more established companies. The index tracks the performance of the 2,000 smallest companies in the Russell 3000 index, which represents about 7% of the total market capitalization. This makes it a useful benchmark for measuring the performance of small-cap to mid-cap stocks in the U.S. market. Another advantage of the Russell 2000 index is that it is widely regarded as a bellwether of the U.S. economy. Because it focuses on smaller companies, it is often seen as a reflection of the overall health of the economy. Additionally, many mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mirror or are based on the Russell 2000, making it a popular choice for investors who want to gain exposure to the broader market. Now, let's take a look at the disadvantages of the Russell 2000 index. One potential drawback is that small-cap stocks can be more volatile than larger, more established companies. This means that investors may experience greater fluctuations in the value of their investments, and they may be at greater risk of losing money in a market downturn. Another disadvantage is that the Russell 2000 index is not as diversified as some other indices. Because it focuses on a specific segment of the market, investors may be exposed to greater stock-specific risk. This means that the performance of individual companies may have a greater impact on the overall performance of the index. So, what's my final rating for the Russell 2000 index? Based on its potential for higher growth, its usefulness as a benchmark for small-cap stocks, and its popularity among investors, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. However, investors should be aware of the potential risks associated with small-cap stocks and consider diversifying their portfolios to mitigate those risks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And remember, always do your own research before making any investment decisions.